My name is Heartfelt.
And my name is Aryan.
Hello, Aswin. What are you doing? You looking for treasures?
Ah, no, I am planting trees, a green treasure.
Little money.
No, something even better. Oxygen.
Huh? This little plant gives oxygen. I thought that my friends only give it.
No, fan gives us air, not oxygen. But trees clean our air and help us to breathe.
Oh, so they are antelope.
Kind of, they fight the pollution and bring the rain.
Too late, bro. I just passed the track and cleared it steady.
That is the cause. Arthur, do you want to clean your lungs?
One dream. Let's go. Give me a call. But start it today. I will name it Drizzy. Dogs in Moscow.
Okay, then now it's Treezilla mission to save the world.
Be smart. Plant trees or be like me.
Plant trees, breathe easy, go green with Treezilla. So, this was a short act for saving plants. As I visited in March to Nainital, and it was such a nice place, and there was valley, or we can say a lake, which was surrounded by mountains, and the mountains were filled with plants and trees. And there was such a greenery that. So, as you seen in the video, that their mountains were so much filled with greenery and the sky was so clear. This is because the people living there are so caring and they are not destroying their nature. Usually in summers, many people living in central landmasses of India go to the hill station for experiencing cold weather or the less hotter weather than their landmasses and they feel better there. So this is a full of the content. I hope you will like it and thank you and bye bye.